Withdrawing crypto into fiat currencies such as the British pound, dollar or euro, for example, has proved challenging for a number of people across the world if they need to do this due to a lack of infrastructure, increased regulation, or simply banks refusing to accept transactions from crypto and centralized exchanges. However, in some pretty big news that a lot of people haven't quite picked up yet, Visa, which has already partnered with some crypto companies to offer crypto cards, announced on the 30th of January 2024 that it's now formed a partnership with the Web3 payment infrastructure provider called Transact that was set up in 2019 by CEO Sammy Start, who you can see pictured here, that is, according to its website, an on-ramp and off-ramp integration with crypto wallets and platforms across 170 cryptocurrencies on more than 75 blockchains. Transact raised $20 million in 2023 to fund its global expansion, and it is a registered company with FinCEN in the US and the FCA in the UK. But it's also registered in Poland, India, and the UAE, so that covers quite a wide range. So please do like this video and subscribe to the channel so I can continue to offer more content for you in future. And let's jump straight in and take a look at exactly how this partnership between Visa and Transact can help crypto users move from crypto into fiat. This partnership will allow cryptocurrency withdrawals directly to a Visa debit card through the Visa Direct solution, available through over 800 apps apparently, some of which you can see here. So this would allow people to connect to a wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Ledger, etc., withdraw their crypto directly to a Visa debit card, and use this in the millions of locations where Visa is accepted globally and in 145 countries, which will therefore allow an individual to avoid using a centralized exchange. KYC would obviously be required, and Transact would take care of this side of things. It states that this partnership currently offers support for more than 40 cryptocurrencies, rather than the 170 that Transact said it offers on its website. But this is live now, and you can check it out on wallets like MetaMask if you want to. Some people have highlighted possible security concerns and risks that users may experience, as well as ever-increasing centralization into the cryptocurrency industry. But there are not many criticisms that I could find at this early stage other than that. But this does give crypto investors another option to explore if trying to convert crypto into fiat currencies, and is another example of bridging the gap between the traditional financial system and cryptocurrency industry, allowing more mainstream use of cryptocurrencies and being another example of more acceptance of crypto. With Transact, Visa and wallets like MetaMask obviously putting out statements reaffirming these messages. Visa has been actively looking to expand its integration and offering of cryptocurrencies, as evidenced here through a post through Visa's head of crypto back in April 2023. For example, Visa partnered with Circle back in 2020 and supported the USDC stablecoin on some crypto cards, offering USDC payment support to Solana in September 2023, and works with more than 70 crypto platforms according to its website, including companies like Crypto.com, KuCoin and Bitpanda. And inevitably, it's not just Visa that's looking to partner with crypto wallets. Mastercard is also exploring opportunities here, as you can see here from October 2023. So don't be surprised to see an announcement from them in the coming months too, because Visa and Mastercard aren't stupid and they don't want to be left behind here. So they are investing heavily in cryptocurrency infrastructure and offerings. They're also involved in trials for CBDCs, for example, in different countries like Hong Kong, Brazil, Australia, and Kazakhstan, with the head of crypto at Visa again saying that going forward, we imagine a future where Visa's network of networks involves more than just multiple currencies and bank settlement rails, but also multiple blockchain networks, stable coins, and central bank digital currencies or tokenized deposits. And Mastercard has partnered with companies like Uphold, Gemini and BitPay, for example, creating its multi-token network, or MTN, in 2023. So that ends this video on the possibility of now withdrawing crypto directly to a Visa debit card. But as always, I'd love to know what you think in the comments below. And if you are interested in more of a tailored approach to your general crypto education, and you think you'd benefit from having someone look over your shoulder and guide you on your journey, I do offer one-to-one coaching to those who have the desire and the means to educate themselves further. And there are links in the description where you can send me a message and book in a free video call to see if we'd be a good fit. And if you found this content interesting, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel, as it really does help. And have a great day.